Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is a very special flute that I've created for a friend of mine who lives in Australia. He's been very good to me, folks, and my family, and I decided to do a video and let him know just how much I appreciate him, and that way also he'll be able to see and hear his flute before it arrives to him. He's been very good to me, folks, and he's just been so generous and been a very good friend, and he's been going through some stuff, and I hope everything works out for him. But this one here, I chose some very beautiful wood for him. I don't know if my camera's not doing too well today. I might have to buy another camera, but this one here is my special series triple drone A flute tuned to 440 Hertz. It's been produced with black walnut wood. Black walnut is an extremely hard wood, or this one here was. It's very easy on the mouth. He wanted my eagle fetishes on it with genuine turquoise eyes. I wrapped it with very soft black deer leather. And as I said in the past, all of my triple drones are made differently than anyone else's out there in the world, as you can see. And you can play it so many different ways. You can remove each individual piece of leather, and it'll produce a different sound for you. If you bear with me, I'll play just a little bit. I'm not going to spend too much of your time, but if you bear with me, I'll play a little bit for you. But this is a beautiful sounding flute, folks. It came out so lovely. I just can't say enough about it. But like I said, I wish my camera would do it some justice, but I don't know what's going on with it today. But it's a very beautiful piece of wood. On the bottom, A 440 Hertz. But the reason I like to use the leather versus the plugs is because the plugs tend to be in the way. You have to hold your fingers up like this here, your hand up like this right here, so you can play them. But with the leather, you can hold your hand down flat, and it's so comfortable, folks. And I hope he loves it. I did my best for you, buddy. Hope you love it. But I'm gonna let you hear what his flute sounds like. And if you would like one, just let me know. Like I said, this one here has been produced with black walnut. I also make them in aromatic cedar for right now. But I'm going to let you hear what this one sounds like. Special Series A, tuned to 440 Hertz. starts with the drone side with no holes, and also the middle main flute. I'm not going to do all of the holes, play all of the holes for you, but I will let you see what this first one sounds like, and maybe the third with all of them open. All you got to do is just twist the leather. You don't have to slide your leather up and down. Just twist your leather to the side. It's so simple. I don't tie it really tight, so it'll be very easy for you to do it. You see, I'll be playing the drone side now with that one hole open. Beautiful. Like I said, you can play each individual hole if you want to. You can play it so many different ways, folks. Just twist your leather. For the sake of time, I'm just go ahead and play all 3 holes open. But you can play, it plays so many different ways, folks. Even play all 3 together. there because I'm tired today. But you can play it so many different ways, and it's super hot in here also today. And like I said, buddy, I hope you love it. I done my very best for you. And I want you to let me know what you think when you get it. I hope and pray that you love it as much as I do. It's so beautiful. It's perfectly in tune. And I have it made to where you could just play it with the same amount of breath where it won't kill you. But like I said, I'm just super tired today. And got a lot of flutes to make, folks. You all's been good to me. I'm blessed, folks, and I thank you for purchasing my flutes. You're keeping me busy. I've been doing this since 2010, and I want to thank God most of all for giving me the strength and this knowledge, this talent, and if it wasn't for Him, I would be completely invisible. I know that. So I want to thank Him most of all, folks, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this flute, this beautiful flute, and if you would like to have one, I will make it in different finishes for you. The hummingbirds, the hawks, this one here's the eagle. I'll do the bear if you want a bear, or buffalo if you want a wolf. I'll do it for you. And just let me know. I'll give you those options. I appreciate everything, folks. Have a good one.